Hello guys, just 6 minutes ago I just uploaded something very hilarious. Alright? This time I will teach you something. I will teach you how I'm gonna teach you how to make your YouTube channel go viral. So I've been on my recommendation, for some reason there's been one cartoon channel that been talking about spam calls and making fun of it. I was laughing hilariously, you know. I never got spam calls, but I never got spam. But I mean, it was funny. So that's why I have a puppet, and it's just so funny. See, when someone wants to search something like like something funny, like if they just watch some cartoon like me, like I just saw a channel with cartoon figures that is so funny. Some guy calls a scammer, and then it's just so funny about Windows 10, and then now I want to do this to, so ever someone does not find that channel, they'll say spam calls, and my video might be up there. So they were like, huh, what does this have to do with spam calls? So they'll just click it, and then if they like it, they'll subscribe it. See guys, this is how you make, so let's say any popular thing that is going on, like a Ouija board. Okay, let's play the Ouija board, make a YouTube video about it. Whenever someone searches, and they might find the video, hopefully they find the video, or they search how to make my YouTube channel viral, or not viral, not that much, but I mean popular. They'll just probably click this video, and then they will say, wow, I like his channel, I'll subscribe. That's how you make your channel happy. Please subscribe and like if this channel makes you happy and entertained. I hope to God it does, because we really love our community around here. My community, my subscribers are so nice. I mean, I'm just saying that if you subscribe to me, thank you. Please subscribe if you find my YouTube channel entertaining. But that was really funny. I did 6 minutes ago. I think that's like half an hour ago now, or 8 minutes ago. I just made a spam call funny. You know, my that I called a spammer, and then he picks up. Well, actually, a spammer calls me every hour. They'd call me. Next time, if he calls me, I might have to make part 2, and it might be so funny that you're gonna laugh your butt off. Please subscribe and like.